Replace the water inlet valve. Prepare the above tools. Remove the machine's back panel. Untie the fixing cable ties. Open the black mainboard cover. Remove the 4 fixing screws of the water inlet valve. Remove the screw clips on both left and right ends. Press the spring tab at the connector and unplug the wide inlet holes. Untie the fixing cable ties. Cut open the hot melt adhesive. Unplug the water inlet valve port. Unplug the other 2 ports of the water inlet valve. Use wire pliers to clamp the port tightly. Use wire pliers to clamp the port tightly. Connect the wide inlet hose. Gently pull the connected hose to check if it is loose. If the hose is properly connected, reattach the screw clips on both ends. Return the water inlet valve to its original position. Secure the 4 screws of the water inlet valve. Insert the water inlet valve port into the corresponding mainboard interface. Secure the cable ties. Reinstall the black mainboard cover. Reinstall the machine's back panel.